Hello, I'm Dr. Boris Nektalov, and this is my son Michael. You know, a lot of people ask me whether they should or should not adjust their children. Is it safe? And why do they really need to get adjusted? What people don't realize is that when a baby's being born, they go through a traumatic experience. So when the baby comes out through the canal, a lot of times what doctors do, they pull and they have to twist the baby's whole body so the shoulders can come out. So that can easily misalign the top bone of the spine. Okay, so and in many cases, the people that go through the cesarean, that's 100% can cause some type of misalignment, because what they usually do is they use a forceps or a vacuum to pull out the baby. So is it important? Yes, it is important for the baby to be aligned so that his nervous system can function and regulates every single function in his body. So today I'm going to show you how safe it is and how effective it is to adjust a child. So Michael is, today he's actually a 4.5-year-old, and we're going to demonstrate. So Michael, go ahead, lay down, face down. Go ahead, lay down, face down. So the first thing I do is I go through his spine and I palpate to see any type of tension, tightness in his spine. Then I would check his legs. Michael. If there's any tightness here. The next thing, go ahead, lay down on your bowl. And I will adjust his pelvis. Okay, go ahead, lay down. The next thing, I will check his neck. Many times when babies have problems in their earaches, a lot of times what I find is they have tension, and I will do a small impulse in the neck, like this, and since he's older, I can use my hands. With the babies who are younger, I use tools, which are it's much more easier on them. It's some type of as easy as an impulse. So I go through his spine like this. Recheck his spine for any more misalignments or muscle tension, tightness. You can get up, Michael. And this is how easy it is. So get your kids adjusted, or at least check if there's any type of misalignments in there before it gets any worse. Thank you and be well.